Hello and welcome to this video on how you can start investing in cryptocurrency through Binance. Cryptocurrency has become a popular investment option over the last few years. One of the most popular platforms to invest in cryptocurrency is Binance. In this video, we'll discuss the steps you need to take to start investing in cryptocurrency using Binance. Step 1. Create a Binance account. The first step is to create an account on Binance. Go to Binance.com and click on the Register button. Fill in your details and create a strong password. Once you have completed the registration process, you'll receive an email verification link. Click on the link to verify your email. Step 2. Verify your account. The next step is to verify your account. This is a necessary step to ensure the security of your account and in order to start trading crypto. To verify your account, go to your account settings and click on Verification. Follow the steps and provide the necessary documents for verification. Once your account is verified, you can start trading. Step 3. Add funds to your Binance account. To start trading on Binance, you need to add funds to your account. Click on Deposit and select the currency you want to deposit. Follow the instructions to deposit funds into your account. Once your account is funded, you can start trading. Step 4. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to invest in. Now that your account is set up and funded, you can start investing in cryptocurrency. Binance offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to choose from. You can do some research on the cryptocurrency you want to invest in before making your decision. The basic cryptocurrencies you can start your trade with are Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BUSD. Step 5. Place an order. To buy a cryptocurrency, click on Trade and select Spot Trading. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you want to invest. Click on Buy and your order will be executed. You can also set up limit orders if you want to buy at a specific price. Step 6. Monitor your investment. After placing your order, you can monitor your investment on the wallet page. Here, you can see the value of your investment and any profits or losses you have made. It's important to keep an eye on your investment and make adjustments if necessary. Conclusion. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio. Binance is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to invest in cryptocurrency. By following these steps, you can start investing in cryptocurrency using Binance. Remember to always do your research and invest wisely. Thanks for watching.